Welcome to Beautyistic, where today we're diving into a luxury hair care gem that promises to restore, hydrate, and protect your hair. Philip B. Russian Amber Imperial Shampoo. If you've been struggling with frizz, over-processed hair, or color fade, stick around because I'll be giving you an in-depth look at whether this shampoo really delivers. Before we get started, if you're loving the reviews, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a beauty breakdown. Now, let's jump in. Philip B. Russian Amber Imperial Shampoo is a color protective cleanser designed for all hair types, but particularly those dealing with frizzy, over-processed hair. This shampoo promises to restore hair's youthful radiance, giving your strands weightless hydration, smoothness, and shine. It features a powerful amino complex to strengthen your hair and add body, while also protecting color from fading. For anyone with chemically treated hair, this could be a game changer. The key ingredients in this shampoo are quite impressive. We have a high dose of Panthenol, or vitamin B5, which is known for its deep moisture retention, paired with Phytantriol to help lock in that hydration. This combination works to protect the hair while infusing each strand with moisture from root to tip. The shampoo also features a blend of Russian-inspired botanicals: chamomile, grape seed, rosemary, nettle, burdock, and sage. These ingredients are loaded with emollients that help bring back that healthy gleam to your hair. When it comes to my own experience with Philip B. Russian Amber Imperial Shampoo, I was impressed by how gentle yet effective it is. The texture is rich but not heavy, and a little goes a long way. It lathers beautifully, leaving the hair feeling clean, without any stripping. My hair, which tends to get frizzy and dull, felt softer and smoother right after the first wash. The hydration this shampoo provides is noticeable but not overpowering. It didn't leave my hair weighed down, which can be a concern with some deeply moisturizing shampoos. As I continued to use it, I noticed that my hair looked shinier and the frizz was tamed without losing volume. This shampoo didn't flatten my hair, which is often the case with products that focus heavily on moisture. In fact, it added a nice body, which is a big win for those of us with fine, limp strands. The scent is also worth noting. It's a sophisticated, slightly earthy fragrance. Not overwhelming, but definitely luxurious. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the pro side, the Philip B. Russian Amber Imperial Shampoo is truly effective at smoothing out frizzy, dry, and damaged hair without compromising volume. The blend of natural ingredients gives your hair that healthy gleam while strengthening it from within. It's also safe for color-treated and keratin-treated hair, which is a huge plus for anyone with chemical treatments. The hydration level is just right, not too heavy, but deeply nourishing. On the flip side, the price point is definitely on the higher end. While the product is undoubtedly luxurious, it may not be the most affordable option for everyone. Additionally, the rich formula, though effective, might not be ideal for those with very fine or oily hair, as it could feel a bit heavy if used too frequently. In terms of value for money, Philip B. Russian Amber Imperial Shampoo is an investment. The ingredients are premium, and the results are noticeable. If you're someone who struggles with over-processed hair, frizz, or color fade, the benefits could outweigh the cost. But if you're on a tighter budget, there are other options that offer solid hydration without the high-end price tag. When comparing it to similar shampoos in the market, Philip B. definitely stands out in terms of ingredient quality and overall performance. Many color protective shampoos don't manage to hydrate without weighing the hair down, but Philip B. strikes that balance beautifully. It's also worth noting that this shampoo just masks damage. It works to restore hair from within thanks to its nourishing ingredients. Now, I've had no direct experience with the brand's customer service, but Philip B. is known for offering high-quality products, so I would assume their customer service matches the excellence of their formulas. That said, if you're someone who's had experience with Philip B's support, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. In terms of alternatives, there are other shampoos that offer hydration and frizz control, but few that match the luxurious ingredient profile of Philip B. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, consider something like L'Oreal's Elvive Dream Length Shampoo, which also focuses on moisture and smoothness, but at a more accessible price. So, after putting this shampoo through the test, I have to say, it does live up to its promises. Philip B. Russian Amber Imperial Shampoo is an excellent choice for those with frizzy, damaged, or color-treated hair who want a premium product that delivers smoothness, shine, and hydration without flattening your strands. Thanks for watching. If you're curious to try it, you can find the link in the comments below. And if you've used this product, drop a comment to share your experience. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.